morning, students. I hope you all are fine and happy. Students, in previous module, we have concluded the video with past tense. In today's video, we'll begin with future tense. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Firstly, we will talk about simple future tense. So, here is the structure for positive sentence, and that is subject plus will or shall plus first form of the verb plus object or complement. Examples according to the structure are: Priya will write a letter to her friend tomorrow. So students, here Priya is subject, will is helping verb, write is the first form of the verb, a letter is an object, and to her friend tomorrow is a complement. Next example is: I shall listen the new songs. Here I is subject, shall is helping verb, listen is the first form of the verb, the new songs is object. Now let's know the structure of negative sentences. Subject plus will or shall plus not plus first form of the verb plus object or complement. Example according to the structure are: we shall not sing a song. Ramesh will not sing a song. Now we will know the structure of interrogative sentence. So the structure for it is will or shall plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object or complement with a question mark. Examples are: will they enjoy in this rainy day? When will he attend school regularly? Students, first form of the verb is used in every sentence. Shall is used for I and be, while will for other subject. So students, here are the usage of simple future tense. Simple future tense is used to express an action which will happen in future time. Examples are: students will go to school in September. Rohan will complete his work after tomorrow. My father will go to Delhi tomorrow. Now we will know about future continuous tense. So, according to this tense, for positive sentence, the structure will be subject plus will or shall plus be plus first form of the verb plus object or complement. Examples are: he will be writing a letter. They will be listening the new songs. Now, for negative sentence, the structure is subject plus will or shall plus not plus be plus fourth form of the verb plus object or complement. Examples are: we shall not be singing a song. I shall not be singing a song. Now, for interrogative, the structure is will or shall plus subject plus be plus fourth form of the verb plus object or complement with a question mark. Examples are: will they be enjoying in the rainy day? Will it be raining in winter? Students, we use fourth form of the verb, that means first form of the verb plus ing in future continuous tense. Shall be is used for I or we. Will be is used for other subject. Now, here are the usage of future continuous tense. So, it is used to describe an action in progress in future time. Examples: we shall be wearing mask in coming days. Will people be following the new guidelines of government? Now, we will talk about future perfect tense. So, for positive sentence, the structure is subject plus will or shall plus have plus third form of the verb plus object or complement. Examples are: he will have written a letter to PM. They will have listened the new songs. Now, for negative sentence, the structure is subject plus will or shall plus not plus have plus third form of the verb plus object or complement. Examples are: we shall not have sung a song. Ramesh will not have sung a song. Now, for interrogative sentence, the structure is will or shall plus subject plus have plus third form of the verb plus object or complement with a question mark. Examples are: will they have enjoyed rainy day? Will he have finished his project work? Students, third form of the verb is used in future perfect tense. Shall have is used for I or we. Will have is used for other subject. Now, here is the usage of future perfect tense. So, future perfect tense is used to express for an action that will complete in future time. Examples: I shall have finished my project. Rohan will have worked in this school. Students, now we will talk about future perfect continuous tense. So, for positive sentence, the structure is subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus fourth form of the verb plus object plus by or since or for plus time. Examples are, he will have been writing a letter by an hour. They will have been listening the new song since morning. For negative sentence, the structure is subject plus will or shall plus not plus have plus been plus fourth form of the verb plus object plus since or for plus time. So, examples are, we shall not have been singing a song for 2 hours. Ramesh will not have been singing a song since morning. For interrogative sentence, the structure is will or shall plus subject plus have plus been plus fourth form of the verb plus object or complement plus since or for plus time with question mark. Examples are, will it have been raining since tomorrow? Will he have been finishing his project work since October? Students, fourth form of the verb, that means first form plus ing, is used in future perfect continuous tense. Shall have been used for I and we. Will have been is used for other subject. Now, here are the usage of future perfect continuous tense. So, it is used to describe for an action which will have started in future time and will be continued in future time. Example, John will have been attending music class since next month. Students will have been playing in the field till noon. Students, now it's time to see what we have learned through MCQs. Question number 1 is, Sarita will have been dash a story since morning. Reads, have read, reading or read. The correct answer is reading. Next is, Neetu will dash to visit the zoo tomorrow. Options are go, went, gone or going. The correct answer is go. Next is, they will be dash a song in a party. Options to fill this blank are sing, sings, singing or sang. The correct answer is singing. Question number 4 is, John will have dash survey task till December. Options are finished, finishing, finish or finishes. The correct answer is finished. Students, now it's time to practice some questions given from the content. So, here are the 2 questions given to you as homework. So, part A is fill in the blanks with suitable form of verb given in brackets. So, students, you have to use the words given in the brackets and write the correct form of the verb to complete these statements. Now, in B part, you have to do the exercise from your new Gram Plus group. That's it for today, kids. I hope you have understood all the things about tenses. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.